Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the vanilla gift card in hand. First, confirm the available dollar amount and whether it's registered for online use. Call the number or log into the issuer site to add your name and ZIP. This prevents declines when Doordash verifies billing. Also verify the card shows an expiration and CVV. Some vanilla variants block online transactions. Once done, note the exact balance. Doordash won't split a single order across unknown pending amounts, so accuracy matters. Now add the card to Doordash. Open account, select payment methods, then add payment. Carefully type the 16-digit number, expiration, and the CVV. Mismatched billing ZIP triggers automatic decline. If the card's balance is less than your order total, you must either prepay with a second method or use the card first and then a backup. Doordash may not auto-split reliably. Once added, save the card. Then choose it at checkout and confirm the displayed available balance if Doordash shows one. Finish the order by selecting your vanilla card and double-checking the total. Food, delivery fee, and tip all count toward the authorization. If the charge is declined, don't panic. First, re-enter the card exactly, confirm the registered billing ZIP, and retry. If it still fails, contact the vanilla issuer to unlock online use. For partial balances, apply the gift card, then immediately add a second payment method to cover the remainder. This sequence prevents overcharging and keeps your order moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.